Today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix an iPhone 9 that's falling in water. So I just received this one today. It's falling in water and it's not turned on for nothing at all. So I'm gonna open it and check out what the damage is. First thing you're gonna do, remove them two screws down there. And then you're gonna heat up the corner of the LCD. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hair dryer. Kind of suction like this, so you can pop the screen out. Let's see. Ooh. As you can see, a lot of water inside that phone. I don't know if that one gonna work, but I will do my best to get it back and running. So there's two screws that holding the LCD, and we're gonna remove them. Never mix your screws. Always separate them so you can know where they was when you reassemble the phone back. So what I'm gonna do is remove the LCD, remove the main board, so I can check it and clean it. to remove the motherboard, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws you have to remove. As you can see, where the water sits right there, I believe there's some damage right there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna clean the board. First thing to do is to clean it and put it back to try it, and then after that we can see if it's not turned on. There is other check we can do to see if the board is ground or not. So but first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the board and try it. Okay, to clean the board you're gonna need some alcohol and a toothbrush. You're gonna dip it in and just clean the board. The reason why I use alcohol is easy to dry. Really, them phone ain't waterproof. I believe they tell you it's waterproof just for you to buy it, but they are not. They are not waterproof at all. When you clean the board, always take your time. Don't be rough with it, because you see, the connectors, they really fragile. If one of the pin come out, it's gonna be difficult for you to get that repair without proper tools. When you finish cleaning, what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a hair dryer to dry the board. Don't get it too hot. Okay, I'm gonna dry that, and I hope the board's ain't damaged. I hope that's only fix the problem. That will save me more time, you know. They could make they could make this waterproof. They could make it waterproof, but I tell you something, they're not gonna make it waterproof, because if they make it waterproof, you will be able to do. You're gonna try it. They could make their phone waterproof. They could make them fully waterproof, but they're not gonna do it. Reason why they're not gonna do it, because they want to sell a phone every year, sometimes 2 times per year. If they make it fully waterproof, their phone gonna last you too long, and that's what they don't want. They don't want the phone to last you long, and that's why the phone is not waterproof. They gonna tell you it's waterproof, but it's not. Because if it was waterproof, when it's full in water, it wouldn't be damaged. So that's how it is. They say it's waterproof, but it's not. So dry the board, dry it up, and then I'm gonna try it again to see what's going on. Let me let it cool down a little bit while I'm checking the LCD. Yeah, I'm checking the LCD. As you can see right there, the connector of the speaker is kind of, the water is damaged. It's right there. I'm gonna try to clean it, see if that fixes the problem. But actually the LCD cables are intact. They really clean. So I'm gonna try to clean it. I believe a waterproof case is very good, because if you listen to them say the phone is waterproof, you'll be in trouble trusting them. Don't trust them, because the phone is not waterproof. They're not gonna make no phone waterproof for you. They will never do that, because they want to sell a new phone every year. Okay, I put the board on, and I'm gonna charge the battery, because the battery is completely dead. This is a charger from iPhone 5, from iPhone 4 to iPhone 8 Plus 9X, to charge the battery when your battery completely dead. And you can check this video here to learn about these tools. So I'm gonna try, and if you need a tools like that to charge the battery, I'm gonna put a link down in the description below, so you can get a cheap one like that on eBay or Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. And this process cleaning the board, sometimes it works, sometimes it's not work. So depend how much damage done by the water. Sometimes it's work, sometimes it's not work. So we're gonna, after charging the battery, we're gonna check it to see if it's fixed the problem. If it's not fixed the problem, so we're gonna need to check and do more work on the motherboard. Okay, let me see. Yeah, as you can see, the battery takes some charge. You can see the red light is on the charger, mean that the battery takes some charge. Let's just give it about a minute more. I believe that will be enough to turn it on. Let's just try it. Connect the LCD first. and gonna connect the battery. And let's try the power button. Yes, as you can see, it's asked for charge, so we're gonna plug the charger in it, let it charge. The thing is, the battery was completely dead. The tools is revive the battery, but don't have enough charge to turn on the phone. As you can see, the charger logo appear on the screen, meaning that it needs some charge. So you see, so let me plug the charger in to see what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna plug the charger. Okay, now it showed me that it's charging, so I'm gonna leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, let it take some charge, and I'll come back. I'll show you guys. I'm already excited, so happy about it. It's turned on. I wasn't expecting that, but it showed me that it take charge, and I'm so happy about it. So I'll be right back to check on it.